Well, new product? Well, it's a new product for me. Hope you guys are doing okay. Today I'm talking about the CRKT Technician Multi-Tool in black. Alright, CRKT Technician Multi-Tool. Sorry for the pause there, my brain ain't thinking today. First thing that comes in, a little booklet on how to take care of your knife, and little instructions on how to impress your father-in-law. Anyway, box is empty. It comes wrapped up in a little plastic bag. Don't need that either. Alright. Why am I having trouble with this? CRKT Technician Multi-Tool. Comes in a fabric sheath. I'm a little disappointed. Like most sheaths, don't have a little pocket or a little stretchy stuff that you can add stuff to this if you wanted to, like my Leatherman. Heavy duty clip, buckle, or button. I'm not a big fan of the button myself. I like Velcro better. Alright, here it is. It's a black multi-tool. First impression, it's bulky, wide, very wide. I'm not used to something this wide. Opening it, kind of hard. With that being said, I mean, it fits my hand pretty well. I have a big hand, so that's a plus. I would call them mule nose pliers. Sorry, I'm just goofing around. You got your wire cutters here, the mule nose here. Let's see what else is in this thing. All the tools are on the outside, so you have to close that up, get to the tools. Let's see here. First thing, little wand, magnet. I don't have nothing magnetic around me. That's so cool. Yeah, I do. Hold on. Nope. Sorry. But I promise you, and I'm just having a bad time tonight. This is a magnetic. Folds down there. Let's see what else is here. Looks like a straight. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me get focus. Maybe not. Well, up here on this side, the straight level, we have millimeters and inches. Millimeters on the inside, inches on the out. And what else we have over here? Then we have a file on both sides. Looks like we have our standard ball opener and maybe a wire stripper right here at the corner here. That's it for that side. Then you have your standard knife. I like it. Don't seem very sharp, but I still like it. If it's anything like my other knife, I'm gonna enjoy it. Let's see here. Has your standard Phillips head. Just around your standard flat head. I apologize if I keep looking over it this way. I'm used to doing it on my tablet. or a camera, and I keep getting the camera parts over here. So I apologize for keep getting over here. What I do see though is, if you look in here, you can use hex bits. That's pretty cool. You can do that with most motor tools. That's about it. Goofy cats. There's one thing I'm gonna change up on this already. Let's see if it goes in my Leatherman. Like I mentioned before, my Leatherman has little pouches on this little stretchy part here. I keep a flashlight. I keep a Phoenix E05 flashlight. Yeah. Little flashlight, not very big, but I like it. Then I also have a little ink joy pen I keep in here. You never know when you need to write something down. So those two are both in here. Let's see if I can get this in there. Well, you know. Huh. It fits. Let's see if it closes. Well, you look at that. Nice and closed. Bye-bye, CRKT Seath. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys have a good day.